Whoa, keyboard warriors and digital nomads. Meet your new secret weapon, the iClever BK05 Bluetooth Keyboard. Fold it, flip it, and take your typing prowess anywhere. Sounds slick, right? Imagine this. You've just found the most idyllic coffee shop, set up your digital camp, and bam! Out comes this tri-folding marvel. It's not just small, it's an origami masterpiece. Switching from your laptop to tablet to phone faster than you can say multitask? Oh yeah. This bad boy's got Bluetooth 5.1 magic, juggling iOS, Android, and Windows like a tech circus. No login lagging here, folks. Ever tried typing in the dark? 3 words. Backlit, keys. Please. Whether you're feeling red, blue, or green, this keyboard's got your vibe covered, without straining your eyes or cramping your style. Durability? Check. It's crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, so go ahead and trust this tiny titan. Just remember, more backlighting means less battery life, so light responsibly, folks. And now for the kicker. Want more juice for creative and productive adventures? Hit the link below to make the iClever BK05 your new sidekick. Don't just take my word for it. Click to explore and conquer the digital world.